In this video, we're going to take a look at the new project patch to clay command. The purpose of this command is to take a sketch loop, project it down to either a limiting plane or a limiting patch, and capture the clay in between automatically in NURB surfaces. So with this model, you can see that we have a fairly low level of release sculpt. And in the object list, I'll bring back my first sketch plane. And there you can see we have a simple rectangle sketched out on that plane. If we look from the front, you can see it's inset a little bit. And then I also have a limiting plane. So here's my limiting plane, and it just so happens to be in line with the top of the block of the clay. Now I can start my project patch to clay command. The first step is to select that sketch loop. The next step will be to select the limiting plane. And then I can actually change the number of control points here. So I have mine set to 80. And then I'm going to go straight to the end and choose the option to create patches. Freeform goes away and calculates the patches. This little dialog box pops up, which is giving me the edge fitting statistics from neighbouring patches. For now, you can pretty much just ignore this and hit OK. And then Freeform tessellates the surfaces which it's just created. And now I can hide the clay and hide the plane. And there you see the result of the projection command. If we come back to the front, go to select, and there you see the patches that it's made for me. Now I bring back the clay and the plane, get out of the command and just hit undo. And then this time I'm going to redo the command, but look at the solid option instead of the surface option. So again, pick the sketch loop, pick the limiting plane, and then in the end here, instead of hitting the surface option, the open patch option, I'm going to hit the solid command. And again, Freeform goes away and calculates the surfaces. But this time, instead of leaving an open surface, it's going to leave me with a closed solid. Now we also have the option to project down to a limiting patch as opposed to a limiting plane. I didn't do that in this case, but I'm sure you can imagine how that would work. And that, quite quickly, is the new project patch to clay command.